I'd like to lie down and take a nap.
Like a micro massage.
I think that eating is good for the skin because it helps it like smooth it a little bit.
It helps basically
Open
up your pores. It helps to like also soothe and prepare your skin for like absorbing different creams, serums, like masks.
Now there's a yellowish kind of light. Now it's not warm anymore, it's cold.
It probably helps to tighten pores.
LED light therapy minimizes puffiness, reduces all this redness. Also, it's kind of anti-aging.
I don't know, sorry, I just love the feeling of it on my face.
My favorite part is when it starts to go warm.
I can control it from the app. Full control.
It's changing.
This is pretty cool. I'm liking this.
Oh, my wife would be using this for sure. As far as me, I would see myself using the same. So I guess I would have to get 2.
I feel like I'm healthy.
I look 10 years younger.
It's like having a facial, but you don't actually have to go pay for a facial.
Do you feel like you'd want to do another treatment?
Can I?